In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare employee timesheets in QuickBooks Time for accurate payroll processing. First, open QuickBooks Time. If you're already in QuickBooks Online, head to All Apps, choose Time, and select Launch QuickBooks Time. This keeps everything in sync, so the hours you review here flow correctly into payroll later. Once it loads, go to Time Entries in the top navigation. Here, you'll see the hours your team has submitted for the period. Take a moment to scan the list and, if needed, focus on a specific date range or team member to make your review faster and more accurate. Now, verify employee hours. This is the heart of clean payroll. Confirm that clock in and clock out times look reasonable and align with scheduled shifts. Watch for duplicate punches, missed clockouts, or unusually long gaps that might indicate an error. Review breaks and overtime to make sure they follow your company policy and local regulations. If your team tracks time by project or job code, check that each entry is tagged correctly so labor costs are allocated to the right jobs. If something doesn't look right, reach out to the employee or their manager for clarification before you move on. When everything looks good, go to Approvals. Approve entries that are accurate and reject those that need correction, adding a brief note if your workflow allows. Once a timesheet is approved, QuickBooks Time locks it for payroll, which helps prevent accidental edits and ensures what you approved is what gets processed. Next, download timesheets for payroll. Open Reports, then select Payroll. Choose the format that fits your process and click Download. Payroll Totals provides a summarized view of hours by employee, ideal for quick checks. Payroll by Day in CSV format breaks hours out by date, which is useful for daily overtime or pay period analysis. Individual timesheets in CSV gives detailed, line-by-line entries if your payroll system needs a granular import. Save the file to a secure location and provide it to your payroll team or upload it to your payroll system as required. Before you wrap up, double-check for any missing or unapproved entries. Make sure every employee has submitted their hours for the period and that all eligible timesheets show as approved. If anything is missing, send a reminder so the team can update their time promptly and you can avoid payroll delays. That's how to prepare timesheets for payroll in QuickBooks Time. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.